like on top of this waterfall right now. Good morning, guys. I'm here with my dad. We're gonna do another road trip this summer. Just going to Yellowstone, maybe Grand Tetons. You can see behind us beautiful Black Hills. It's just on the first hour of our trip here to Yellowstone. We got about 8 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, and what's our temperature going to be, Zach? It's 73 right now.
Well, I haven't really looked at it, but he is saying this will be 30 degrees. Yeah, so we're gonna be pretty nippy. Yeah. We are here at Walmart in Cody, Wyoming, just doing a little pit stop before heading into the national park. Got some beer, got some firewood. Now we're ready to check in. We're not even in Yellowstone yet, and there's a buffalo on the road. This is so cool. Check this out, guys. It's a big boy. So guys, if you look, you can see the little baby buffaloes. Little baby buffaloes, they got lighter skin. They don't even look like a buffalo, they look like livestock or cattle or something like that. So frustrating being in Yellowstone. I'm just trying to get out of the city, out of the traffic, and I'm in a buffalo jam, of course. I don't know why I came to this place. So inconsiderate, those buffalo. So inconsiderate. But we're trying to drive here. This is our campsite, 122, Canyons Campground. Right now we're just racing against time here while we got sunlight to set up camp. There's quite a bit of snow here still. It's May 31st. There's lots of snow all around. Probably going to be a pretty cold night. Here we are in our spacious, I can stand in it, and I'm tall, in our spacious tent here.
Yeah.
It's just raining off and on. We don't know if we'll chill outside or chill in the tent. But yeah, cheers.
I think we're gonna chill in the tent.
Good morning, guys. This is day 2 here at Yellowstone. Last night was fairly rainy and fairly cool, but not too cold. The lowest it dipped around was like 40 degrees, around there. Alright guys, it is June 1st here at Yellowstone. Not all the campsites are open, so we aren't able to book another night at our campsite. So all the campsites you can call up or book online are booked. So right now we're going to go, first thing in the morning, we haven't even cooked breakfast or anything, but we are going to go to first come first serve, what, campsite? Norris campsite. We're just going to try to get a campsite here so we don't have to leave the park and then come back in tomorrow. So up ahead of us is the registration office. You can see RVs and you can see people standing out in front of the building.
Yeah, look at this.
Those are all the people waiting for a spot.
Look.
This lady's like running, I guess. But yeah, we haven't even cooked breakfast yet.
We got our spot.
But we got a campsite for the next 2 nights, so we are in Yellowstone. It's really cold, and it was snowing earlier. Hopefully it warms up. Leaving our first campsite, leaving campsite Fizz. Actually, it's just F122. Canyons Campground, we are out. This is the famous lower falls here of Yellowstone. You can see the yellow rock on both sides of the canyon. That's what Yellowstone's actually named after. So just got done at Artist Point, looking at the waterfalls, looking at lower falls. Now I'm on Brink of the Lower Falls Trail, and kind of see it behind me. So just gonna get even closer to the waterfalls. waterfall right now. Check it out. Alright, so you can see the people right there. That's where I was at earlier for my shot. You're like, they say brink of Lower Falls. I mean, you're basically on top of it. It is something to behold.
It's cold and windy.
You try to hike?
We tried, but it's cold. It's like 30 degrees.
This is Mammoth Hot Springs, in the northern part of Yellowstone. And apparently these hot springs erode the mountain really quickly. So if you come back here in like 10 years, this looks completely different. So the leftover residue, the leftover ground after the hot spring goes through it looks really strange. It looks like a campfire after it's fizzled out and there's just embers everywhere.
Well, he's gonna see how hot it is.
Hotter than 100? Feels good. Yeah. Do you want to touch the water, Dad?
No.
You don't want to touch it? No? Oh my gosh. This fox came in the middle of the road. No, he's running away. He came in the middle of the road with something he captured and just dunked it there and was like chomping on it for a little bit. Okay, here's the fox again. Apparently he is a big fan of the road. What? Just doing a little foxtrot. Oh, this is hilarious. He's in there. There he is. Gnawing on it. Behind me is Tower Falls, second waterfall of the day. That is the sunset, and this is the end of day 2 here at Yellowstone.